And again, these are mild viral infection. And after that, you just do hydration. That's the most important thing to do is you do hydration. And the most important thing is to have a very strong immune system. So if you have a strong immune system, and this all viral infection will just go away. This is my caution to all of you. If you have any form of viral infection, do not give aspirin to your child, okay? Do not give aspirin to your child if it's a viral infection. There's gonna be a complication for that. We call it Rice syndrome. And it's very vicious. It can cause liver problems, so do not do it.
Let me ask you this, Mom. In a situation of a viral infection, is there any benefit at all to giving an antibiotic?
No, you cannot. But the thing is, if you have some form of viral infection, your immunity might be lowered, okay? And then if your immunity is lowered, then you are susceptible to some bacterial infection. So,
but if there is no bacterial infection?
If there's no bacterial infection, you should not be giving an antibiotic. You should not receive an antibiotic. So for a fever, the best thing to do is you can have this ampalaya juice and then you drink them. You can give it every hour, 3, 4, 5 times a day. So you can give that to the infant or to someone who's suffering with fever. Again, also, you can do a compress using...
Cold compress.
Yeah, cold compress. Or you can also use compress using white vinegar. So you get a towel, you put some white vinegar on it, and then put some compress in the infant or in the skin, so to lower the temperature.
Cleaner skin too.
Yeah, and cleaner skin as well, according to surgeon. So, and then if you have conjunctivitis, okay, so reddening of your sclera, so you can use honey with distilled water. Okay, make sure that the honey is sterile as well, and then a sterile distilled water. So usually it's a few drops of honey and then 5 ml of distilled water, and then you can apply that 3 or 4 times in a day. That's for the conjunctivitis. For the cough and colds, you can use oregano, cinnamon, eucalyptus. Again, honey should not be taken internally by infants less than 2 years old because of a condition known as infantile botulism. So we do not have, they do not have the necessary equipment, immunity to fight that type of infection. Okay, so again, just to wrap up about common childhood illnesses, it's very important to have a strong immune system, and what you can do to have a strong immune system is to take vitamin A. So vitamin A, vitamin C, and zinc. Okay, also magnesium can help with to build up a very strong immune system to fight all of those offending organisms.